So today I wanted to talk about light language, and I'm not going to do a transmission in this video. I simply want to talk about it because there are a lot of people who are intrigued by it, and then there are a lot of people who have resistance with it. But generally there is this new curiosity about what is this thing that people are doing, okay? And basically it's like speaking in tongues, right? Where you're channeling a language. And when it's coined light language, a lot of people are like, oh, woo-woo, it's the crazy stuff, right? Whereas speaking in tongues we find to be a biblical term, or it's more Christian, so therefore it's more accepted into the mainstream. So either way, there's a lot of feelings around what is this, okay? And I don't really want to get into my story right now. However, what I will share is that I've had a very bumpy ride with light language. The years and years of experiencing what this is and coming into it and resisting it, and just I have a story. And long story short, I have made a lot of sacrifices in my life because God has made it very clear that this is my path, is to do this for myself, for other people, and to share it with the world. And I don't just believe in light language, okay? I am an ambassador for this work, to the point where I have lost friends and family, okay? This is my work, this is my passion, and I'm going to tell you why. Light language is so important, okay? It is a channeling of our guides coming through us and sending coded medicine, okay? We are light, and we're having light come through us, and we're sending light codes into a person, place, or thing, okay? And so everything has a resonance, it all has a frequency. And so when we are allowing this coded medicine to come through, we are shifting its DNA, literally, okay? I have seen it with my own eyes. We are literally changing things when we bring this sound, frequency, and vibration into the body, okay? Now let me back up for a minute. It is our programming to believe that the mainstream does not honor and respect the things that are woo-woo, right? Chiropractic, acupuncture, even massage, frequency medicine, sound healing, tuning forks. Like, this is all hogwash, right? We're supposed to go see the doctor for 5 minutes who gives us the script or sends us to the surgeon. Okay, that's the norm. That's our norm. As a human experience, this isn't the norm. Herbology, essential oils, all of that's not the norm. The norm is going to the doctor and doing the Western thing, which I'm not knocking Western medicine. There are good things about it for sure. But my point is that that's not the norm, okay? Our norm is that we're a human being who has the capacity to do so many things that we don't even know everything that we're able to do. And as humans, we should be coming together as a community to support each other and understanding more of our capabilities, rather than pushing them to the side, okay? So there's so many people that are like, oh, light language, instead of being, oh, light language, right? And so wake up. Like, I'm really tired of this restricted template of like, we're not supposed to open up our abilities. We're not supposed to understand our intuition. That's not the norm. Like, wake up, you're asleep, okay? Light language works. Okay, I am very much into Reiki and craniosacral therapy and polarity and so many different energetic modalities. They all work, they're all beautiful, they're all valid. But it's light language that has changed my life, especially when I combine it with the other modalities. And the reason being is because when I am offering a light language transmission, it's not about me. It's not about me trying to make something happen. It's about me holding the space and allowing guidance to come through, and me being the witness and watching what they do to my vessel, showing me where to go next, and what to sing or say next, or what codes to write next. It's a humbling experience to show us that it's not about doing, it's about holding the space and allowing our guides and God to come through to assist people to shift the DNA, okay? We are all out of frequency, and we all need to make sure that we are resonating with the Schumann resonance, okay? Things are shifting and changing, and we need to continue to keep ourselves updated and upgraded, okay? We can't stay in the old templates. We have to move up and evolve. And one of the most beautiful, powerful ways of doing this is light language. It's a fast, active way of clearing, recalibrating, updating, and upgrading our bodies and getting downloads at the same time. It's an amazing medicine that we all have the capability of doing, but we're not taught. We're shunned away about the weird woo-woo stuff, okay? And I'm going to tell you what, I am proud to be the weird girl now, okay? I am owning it. I'm not resisting it because it works, okay? It works. And we should be supporting each other and learning of all the ways that we can not only help ourselves, but help this planet, especially when we come together and do it together. And this is why I offer light language workshops twice a year in Asheville to help people see the capabilities of what we have, okay? What we're able to do and why we should be doing it, okay? So if you have any further questions, please reach out to me. I would love to answer them. I am very much about this work. I am really hoping that, or wishing that other people would wake up and realize that they're in these limiting experiences when we're not opening up to our abilities, okay? Like, I honor that everyone's going to feel the way they want to feel and respond the way they want to respond, but we should never shun somebody else from wanting to experience that for themselves and tell them that they're crazy or tell them that they're wrong, okay? Especially when this work has shown so much positive impact on people's lives and the world. So reach out to me if you have any questions. I hope that I answered or created some clarity for you about a little bit what light language is. And I hope to see you in one of the light language workshops.